What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This hair is from Nadula. All the information for the hair will be in the description box below. This is a violet ash brown wig. So get into this color. It is really cute, and I love the highlights on here. This is a 13x4 frontal, and it has 2 combs on the sides, an elastic band, a cone at the bottom, and your 2 adjustable straps, as well as the lace. And so this is the overview of the wig. This is in 24 inches and it is 180 density, and this color is super unique. I absolutely love it. This is just what came in the packaging. They sent a cute robe and some goodies, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So first things first, I'm taking my lace tint and I'm putting that all along the lace. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. There's no need to with this particular color. You definitely don't have to. And then I'm just spraying some lace tint onto a flat top brush, and I'm putting it all over my wig cap. This is only because I ran out of cream makeup, because I prefer cream makeup for my wig caps, but I'm just trying to improvise here. After I'm done coloring the wig cap, I'm just cutting off this lace in the back, and then I'm going to slide on the wig and make sure it fits comfortably on my head to my liking. After that, I'm just going to go and cut the ear tabs, and I will say that this was super easy to cut. I know some wigs, like I wind up having to cut off some of the hair, but I didn't have to cut any of the hair at all. So I love that for me. I could just cut off the lace, and then the wig fit perfectly behind my ears. And now I'm just going to go ahead and glue it down. So I'm using my glue, the Hold Me Down glue from Erica J, and I'm just putting that all along my hairline. I wound up using about like 3 layers of this glue in all. I just didn't show everything here. And yeah. And then once everything is dried a little bit, I'm just going to pull the lace forward and use my comb and my hot comb to melt the lace. So this is like my 3rd or 4th time now using this Erica J glue. And I gotta say, I absolutely love this glue. This is probably like one of my new favorite glues. Now, I still love Wig Dealer's glue. It's still really good to me, but this one works really well. And then I got the watermelon flavor, and it smells really good. So like I always now like look forward to putting a glue on my hair. But it's definitely sturdy. For me, I'm able to get the glue to last for like a week, and then but that's only because I never put glue like where my sideburns are, because I have longer sideburns. But if anybody else like has a regular hairline unlike me, then you should be able to get it to last a little bit longer. But so after I'm done laying down my lace, now I'm just going to go through and cut off the excess lace. So I'm super excited because I bought this new tool. It's like these scissors that's jagged, because I've been seeing like other people use it and they say, oh, it works really well. So basically what it is the scissors, instead of it cutting a straight line, it cuts like jagged, like what you would use for like arts and crafts kind of. And so it makes it so that, you know, when you cut the lace, it doesn't cut in a straight line, because it's harder for the human eye to see jagged lines than it is for it to see straight lines. So the idea is that it's supposed to help your lace blend better. And actually I feel like it worked. And I noticed that too, like when I do glueless closure wigs, the hairline will come like kind of jagged, and I noticed it really helps melt the lace better so that it's more invisible, because instead of cutting it like in a straight line. So once I've cut off the lace to my liking, I'm just going to go in with my Wonder Bond spray and spray my sideburns. I like to use this on my sideburns because, again, I can't put glue right there because the glue will get like stuck in my hair. So I just put it on my sideburns to help hold the lace down. And then I just like to spray it like along the edge of my hairline just to melt the lace and help it stick better. So So now it's time for the fun part. I get to style my hair. I decided I wanted to do a side part because I thought it was going to look really pretty with this lace. Surprisingly, this hair was really easy to part. Like when you parted the hair, it was easy for it to see scalp. Like I know with some wigs you can part it, and I guess because the closures and the frontals be so dense that you can hardly see a part. But as soon as I parted it, like I really didn't even have to pluck it much. Like there was a visible part there. So now I'm just taking my edge booster and my hot comb and a little bit of free spray, and I'm just going to make my hair flat on the sides of my part. All right, so once that's done setting, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my edges. So I feel like I did, well, okay, so I tried to do something a little new with my edges, but then really not really. So typically like when I do side parts, I do like one swoop on the side of where my part is. But this time I said I want two. So here I am making two swoops, right? And it's fine for that side. But then on the other side of my hair, underneath where the part is, I don't know what I was thinking, but I kind of made my baby hair on this side go in a little bit of a different direction. So like the other swoops on one side of my head was going like horizontally, and then these were a little vertical. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I didn't care because I was like, you know, it's hidden by my side part anyway. But you'll get to see a little bit later like what I mean. Like my edges don't match up, like they're not the same. Like, you know, like when you have a hairstyle, you should do like stick to one style of edges for your whole head. I wanted to try them all. So yeah, here you can see clearly what I'm talking about. Like they are just not the same. Like I should have just picked one. But yeah, nobody's gonna see the edges on the other side, so I guess it's fine. I don't know. So after the great baby hair debacle, I am going to curl my hair. So I'm just sectioning the hair off just to make it easier to curl. This hair was really easy to curl. I love that. And then it also holds a curl really, really well. I didn't have to leave the curling iron like sitting on my hair for like 5 minutes. Well, that's like an exaggeration, but I didn't have to leave it on there for long. Like I honestly could just like wrap the hair around the barrel for like a few seconds and then release, and then the curls like stayed, or like if I brushed them out, it would still be like a nice body wave. So I really like how this hair holds curls. Also, I wore this wig to the Renaissance, you know, the Beyonce concert, and it stood pretty well. I will say by the end of the night, like of course, like sweating in there, like my curls dropped a little bit, but there was still a little wave in there at the end, and I was really surprised and happy about that. So yeah, after just some finishing touches to the front, making everything look smooth, this style is pretty much done. This install is done. And overall, I am so happy with how this came out. I got actually like so many compliments on this hair color because it looked really, really nice in person. I don't know, it looks good on camera to me as well. And like this lighting and also the lighting that you saw it in the beginning. Like I love how you can tell that it's purple, but then it still looks kind of like ashy gray. And then I also love how the roots are brown, so it still looks like natural and I don't look super crazy. But overall, even though like the hair is colored, like the hair is still soft. I didn't have any issues with like tangling or shedding or anything like that. And this is honestly like one of my favorite wigs because of the color. Like the color is so nice. I really loved it. So yeah, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Definitely check this hair out. It is really, really great and worth it. I definitely recommend it. 2 thumbs up. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Adios till next time.